Aptera just made a move that could speed everything up, and the timing could not feel more perfect for fans. A new agreement with CPC Group means specialized composite bodies will soon rise inside Italy's legendary Motor Valley region. Modena. Italy sits at the very heart of this legendary zone, home to generations of supercars and iconic motorcycles built there. This is the same region that shaped some of the fastest, most beautiful machines the automotive world has ever produced. Now Aptera is stepping into that lineage, choosing craftsmanship and precision engineering as the foundation for its own vehicle. CPC Group will supply both materials and structural components needed for what Aptera calls its BinC. BinC stands for Body and Carbon, a name that reflects exactly what this critical vehicle component actually represents. It also reflects something deeper, a philosophy built around simplicity, safety, and long-term sustainability from the very beginning. Aptera has always leaned into minimalism, and this partnership pushes that philosophy even further into physical, tangible reality. The BinC itself comprises only 6 main structural parts, an impressively low number for any vehicle platform today. Fewer parts often mean fewer failure points, simpler assembly, and a cleaner path toward long-term reliability. What makes this even more remarkable is that the BinC can be recycled up to 5 times. That repeated recyclability gives the structure an unusually low carbon footprint across its entire operational life cycle. Most of this BinC structure is built from carbon fiber sheet molding compound, a specialized composite material. It combines chopped carbon fibers with glass sheet molding compound, blending strength, weight savings, and manufacturing efficiency together. So what does this new partnership actually mean for the future of Aptera's production timeline going forward? Should reservation holders expect their vehicles sooner, now that a dedicated manufacturing partner has officially entered the picture? These questions matter deeply to thousands of people who have already committed their trust and money to Aptera. Before answering that, it helps to understand exactly why carbon fiber matters so much to this vehicle. These new structural parts will primarily rely on carbon fiber, chosen specifically for its lightweight yet incredibly strong properties. Carbon fiber has become one of the most fascinating materials used anywhere in modern vehicle construction today. It offers incredible stiffness while remaining dramatically lighter than traditional steel used in most vehicles. Carbon fiber sheet molding compound replaces chopped glass fibers with chopped carbon fibers inside a polymer resin base. This is essentially the same manufacturing approach as regular sheet molding compound, just upgraded with superior carbon fiber technology. The result combines lightweight carbon composite benefits with compression molding, a fast and efficient manufacturing process. Compression molding allows manufacturers to produce components quickly, making it ideal for higher volume industrial applications like vehicles. Because of these combined advantages, the automotive industry has become a natural fit for this exact technology. Carbon fiber sheet molding compound has already expanded well beyond high-performance vehicles into much broader automotive markets. The 2017 Toyota Prius stands as a real-world example of this material being used successfully outside racing. Even the aerospace industry has embraced this same material, with Boeing incorporating it into the 787 aircraft. Its use across multiple industries is expected to keep growing steadily as manufacturing techniques continue to improve further. Understanding why Aptera chose this particular path helps explain the deeper reasoning behind this entire partnership decision. Let's explore some of the genuine advantages that carbon fiber sheets bring to vehicle design and performance. The first major advantage is low density combined with an exceptionally high strength-to-weight ratio overall. This characteristic essentially defines carbon fiber, giving it remarkable strength without adding unnecessary weight to any structure. Strength-to-weight ratio is calculated by dividing failure force per unit area by material density itself. Because of this outstanding ratio, carbon fiber remains both strong and impressively lightweight compared to conventional materials available today. This exact property explains why the aerospace industry relies so heavily on carbon fiber for aircraft components. Lighter, stronger aircraft parts directly translate into better fuel efficiency and improved overall flight performance for airlines. Carbon fiber can also replace many traditional metals, which explains its widespread adoption throughout modern aviation manufacturing. In fact, Carbon fiber is lighter than aluminum while simultaneously being stronger than traditional steel used elsewhere. That combination is genuinely rare among materials, which is exactly why engineers value carbon fiber so highly. The second major advantage involves low thermal expansion compared to both steel and aluminum in changing temperatures. Carbon fiber contracts and expands far less than metals when exposed to extreme hot or cold climates. This happens because of its notably low coefficient of thermal expansion compared to traditional metal alternatives available today. This property makes carbon fiber an excellent choice for applications requiring extremely precise, minute physical movements and tolerances. Telescopes and other sensitive optical equipment frequently rely on carbon fiber for exactly this reason and precision. The third advantage centers on corrosion resistance, protecting materials from chemical and electrochemical environmental degradation over time. When manufactured using the correct polymers, carbon fiber composite becomes one of the most corrosion-resistant materials available. This resistance matters enormously for vehicles exposed to rain, humidity, road salt, and other harsh environmental conditions. The fourth advantage involves reduced electrical conductivity, since carbon fiber conducts electricity more slowly than most metals. Because of this property, carbon fiber composites are increasingly valuable in modern automobile manufacturing and electrical system design. The fifth and final advantage is genuine ultraviolet resistance, protecting materials from sun exposure-related damage over time. With the right resin formulations, carbon fiber can achieve impressive resistance against harmful ultraviolet light exposure outdoors. However, carbon fiber isn't without meaningful drawbacks, and understanding these limitations gives a fuller, more balanced picture. Carbon fiber tends to fracture or break when crushed or pushed beyond its structural strength limits. For example, striking it forcefully with a hammer will likely cause the material to fracture immediately. Machining carbon fiber sheets presents a genuinely challenging task for manufacturers working with this specialized composite material. Once the internal carbon structure becomes damaged, the fibers lose their original shape and structural integrity entirely. This damage makes the material insufficient in strength, often making repair or restoration completely impossible afterward. In most cases, the damaged structure must simply be removed entirely and replaced with a new component. Carbon fiber is also considered an expensive, high-quality material with significant costs throughout its production process. Energy represents another major cost factor, since adding carbon atoms to each fiber requires substantial energy input. A sizable amount of additional energy is also needed to bundle carbon into usable fibers and threads. Energy remains the single most expensive component throughout the entire carbon fiber production and manufacturing process today. The specialized production equipment required for this process is also quite expensive compared to traditional manufacturing machinery. Beyond cost concerns, carbon fiber also raises legitimate environmental and human health considerations worth taking seriously here. The material does not degrade easily, creating long-term environmental persistence once it reaches the end of use. It can also be harmful to the human body, potentially causing various illnesses including serious lung-related conditions. If left uncontrolled, microfibers released during production or damage can lead to genuinely serious health complications for workers. These microfibers can stick to human mucous membranes or skin, causing noticeable irritation and discomfort over time. This happens because the microscopic fibers penetrate deep into skin tissue remarkably quickly upon direct contact exposure. Another significant disadvantage involves manufacturing requirements, since producing quality carbon fiber parts almost always requires a specialized mold. Creating that mold is rarely a simple task, typically requiring professional assistance and specialized manufacturing expertise throughout. Recycling presents yet another meaningful challenge, since carbon fiber cannot be recycled nearly as easily as steel. Replacing a damaged carbon fiber piece often produces considerable waste, making recycling efforts genuinely difficult to manage. Carbon fiber is therefore both wasteful to produce and challenging to recycle, partly because it can melt. These are real trade-offs, and any honest evaluation of this material needs to acknowledge them clearly and fairly. Still, despite these challenges, Aptera appears committed to moving forward with carbon fiber as its foundational building material. So how does all of this connect back to Aptera's actual production plans and upcoming delivery timeline? Aptera has stated plans to begin deliveries in 2023, eventually ramping toward full-scale production capacity. The company's stated goal involves producing 40 vehicles per day at its final assembly location in Carlsbad. Reaching that daily production number would represent a major milestone for any emerging electric vehicle manufacturer today. Interest in the vehicle has already proven substantial, with the company receiving over 37,000 reservations. 37,000 reservations represents genuine consumer confidence in Aptera's vision for efficient, solar-powered personal transportation. However, given carbon fiber's significant drawbacks, particularly its high cost and considerable environmental impact, questions naturally remain. It remains genuinely unclear exactly how these material costs will ultimately affect final production vehicle pricing decisions. Pricing uncertainty is understandably frustrating for reservation holders eager to know their final investment and delivery timeline. Even so, this carbon fiber material will directly contribute to Aptera's broader safety-first company philosophy overall. That safety-focused approach has remained central to Aptera's identity since the company's earliest founding days began. Reliability also plays a major role in this equation, since customers expect their vehicle to perform consistently. Beyond safety and reliability, this material choice supports the unmatched efficiency that defines Aptera's solar electric vehicle. Efficiency has always been the core selling point separating Aptera from virtually every other electric vehicle manufacturer today. Few vehicles on the market can match the aerodynamic efficiency and solar charging capability that Aptera promises. That efficiency advantage largely depends on keeping the vehicle's overall weight as low as physically possible. This is precisely where carbon fiber earns its place, despite the various drawbacks discussed throughout this breakdown. Lightweight construction directly supports longer range, better solar charging performance, and improved overall vehicle handling characteristics. Every material decision Aptera makes ultimately traces back to this singular goal of maximizing overall efficiency. The drawbacks of carbon fiber technology in the vehicle's exterior build remain worth watching closely going forward. As production ramps up, real-world data will eventually reveal how these trade-offs actually play out. For now, this new partnership with CPC Group represents a meaningful step toward turning Aptera's vision into reality. Building specialized composite bodies within Italy's renowned Motor Valley region adds serious manufacturing credibility to this entire project. That region's deep expertise in supercar and motorcycle production suggests genuine craftsmanship behind Aptera's upcoming vehicle structures. Whether this partnership ultimately accelerates delivery timelines remains something only time and continued production updates will reveal. What remains clear is that Aptera continues building momentum, one strategic partnership and manufacturing decision at a time. For the thousands of reservation holders watching closely, every update like this brings their vehicle one step closer. The combination of Italian craftsmanship, advanced composite materials, and Aptera's efficiency-focused design philosophy creates genuine anticipation moving forward. Whether the final production vehicle arrives exactly on schedule, this partnership signals serious intent behind Aptera's manufacturing ambitions. Carbon fiber remains a complicated material, offering incredible performance benefits alongside real cost and environmental trade-offs worth acknowledging. Aptera's willingness to embrace those trade-offs speaks to how seriously the company takes long-term vehicle performance. As more details emerge about pricing, timelines, and production capacity, reservation holders will finally get clearer answers. Until then, this partnership stands as one more meaningful milestone along Aptera's long journey toward mass production. The road from prototype to full-scale manufacturing has never been simple for any new vehicle company. Aptera has consistently shown willingness to make difficult material and manufacturing decisions in pursuit of genuine efficiency. This latest partnership with CPC Group reinforces that same commitment, even while introducing new cost and complexity questions. For now, the automotive world watches closely as this ambitious solar electric vehicle inches closer toward real production.